Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, September 10, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Tuesday, September 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 10, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, September 10, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimate of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 45 million pesos. And Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 154 million pesos for September 10, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, September 10, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.